Hey everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to add admin to Facebook page. By adding an admin to your page of Facebook, you can give different access to what other people can do. You can give that person different access to your Facebook page. So to give access to your page, open up your Facebook app and then tap on the menu that you see on the top right. From this menu, you will have an option of switching profiles. So you will need to switch to your page first. Tap on this arrow right here and tap on your page. Once the page has switched, tap on your menu again on the top right. And under all shortcuts, you'll see professional dashboard. Tap on this option. And from this setting inside of under tools, you'll see page access. Tap on the page access option. And basically you have two options. The first one is people with Facebook access and the second one is people with task access. If you tap on the first one and tap on add new, tap on next, you can just search for the names on Facebook, or you can also search by the email address. Now what this is going to do is the other person will have entire access to your Facebook page. So if you don't want that to happen, you can only give a task access. Tap on the add you option again, tap on next, and again you can search by their Facebook name or the email address linked with their Facebook. And you can just add them as either the Facebook access or the task access. So that was a real quick video on how to add admin to Facebook page. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.